everyone. Today I want to talk about the shortcuts, or simply the hotkeys that you will use in Microsoft Word. Now today we'll cover about the bold, italic, underline, and how to use the keyboard to highlight words, superscript and subscript, how to make a bigger and smaller sign, and alignment by using the shortcuts or hotkeys. Alright? So I think after you have familiarized with these kind of hotkeys, then definitely will increase your efficiency while using Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's get started. Now, I think the very first one, and most of you are familiarized with that, is the bold, italic, and underline. Now, we just do a very simple example right here. For example, if I want to bold, of course, we need to highlight the word, and then we'll press Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl I for italic, and Ctrl U for underline. If you want to undo one of the features, simply press the combine key again. So if I want to undo the italic features in these combination, I press Ctrl I and then the word will become normals. Okay. The second one I want to talk is how to do the superscript. Now doing the superscript is very easy. First of all, we need to have B, right? Just as this example, and then we want to do a superscript of 2 right here. So we need to press Ctrl Shift plus on the keyboard together, and then the cursor will move to superscript position, and then we can start to type the stop and superscript positions. Now if you want to get back to normal position, you just simply press Ctrl Shift plus again. So you press Ctrl Shift plus again, then that will back to normal position. Now for subscript, it's just missing the Shift key in the subscript hotkey combination, so it's quite easy. So in this case, we want to type H2O, so H, Control Enter, 2, Control Enter, O, and that will give you the answer. Now if you want to use the keyboard to select to highlight the words, it's quite easy to do that. You just press the Shift key and then you press the arrow key. So if I want to highlight H2O from right to left, we press the Shift key and then we press the left arrow key on the keyboard, and it will be going to highlight from right to left. Okay, so like if I move the cursor right here, I want to highlight the whole road, so I get Shift and then I press the button to the right, arrow button to the right on the keyboard, and then we'll start to highlight the word. Now if I want to, I don't want to highlight the last S in this case, so I just press the Shift and left arrow button, then I will be able to, dishighlight one of the back S in the word. Okay, so the fourth thing I want to talk about is how to increase or reduce the font size of the word. So of course you first need to highlight it, and then you press Ctrl Shift with the greater button, which is next to your question mark. The font size will be increased. Now conversely, if you press a smaller button, the font size will be decreased. Okay. Okay, the fifth one I want to talk about is alignment. So of course you need to highlight all the words, right? So if you press Ctrl L, it will be aligned to the right, aligned to the left. Of course, Ctrl L, right? Aligned to left, and then Ctrl R will be aligned to right. Ctrl E will be aligned to center. Now there's also another option that you can find is justify. Now I want to show you how we can use the justify, and what is the differences between justify, align to left, right, and center. Alright, so to reduce the font size, we just remind the combination is Ctrl Shift with a smaller button. To align to center, we need to press Ctrl E. Align to the left, Ctrl L. Align to the right, Ctrl R. And justify, Ctrl J. Right? So if you have a justify, then actually it is aligned to the left and right at the same time. So if you align to the left, you will see there is some space right here, but if you have justified, the space will be occupied by the words by simply increase some of the space inside the sentences. So this will give like a very tidy, neat and tidy feeling to the readers. So I hope it helps, and remember to like or subscribe our YouTube video if you find it useful, and thanks for watching.